By this stage you should already have assembled your trolley base. If not, then please follow the link here or scan the QR code printed on the trolley base instructions. Next we're going to fit the Ergo handle to the trolley platform. Start simply by lining up the handle uprights with the holes in the trolley deck. Next, turn the trolley onto its side so that we can secure the Ergo handle. Fit the M10 bolts into the 2 holes and simply tighten using a 17mm spanner. Assembly videos for all of the trolley configurations can be found using the QR code printed on the assembly instructions. These are included in the handle carton.